Today I'm going to show you how to use and install System Care Advance. I have the Pro version. I'm going to show you the website where to install, download. You can get the System Advanced System Care 6 right here, but they also have a Ultimate Beta, which you'll automatically get the full version of this, but I found out that it has some stuff on it that that's good and what's not, and stuff that's not good. Because, well, it's beta, of course. It's like sort of unstable. You can use that if you want. I'm gonna be focusing more on this one. Just hit download. Take you to CNET and download from there. After you're done, you'll get a file that looks like this. Then you just run it. If you have the Ultimate version, it'll look like this. Let me show the difference between the two. First, I'm going to talk about this one first. First it has its own malware removal. Then it has a registry fix, which is a cleaner. Privacy sweep will delete all your history on your computer and browsers. Junk file clean removes all junk files. Internet boost up your internet. Shortcut fix, the registry defrag. System authorize system. Security defense. Disk scan, it's like a disk doctor. Fix problems with your hard drive. Vulnerability fix, which is similar to it's pretty much just like the Windows update. And disk defrag. And you just click this and it'll run all of them at the same time, and it'll do whatever. To change some of the settings, you just click on the top and hit settings. On the malware removal, recommend having this on high. Also buggy. If you have the Pro version, you'll have this won't be that'll be checked. Anything that says Pro right here means it's for the version that you bought. If you have the free version, these will be unable to be checked until you actually purchase it. Registry fix, Pro version has the deep clean scan. Here's the privacy sweep. What I know, the cookies are not checked. On the browsers. Junk file, don't really mess with that. This right here, if you have the Pro version, you'll be able to change these. Default, it's on basic for the free version. For Mostly I just use daily use, and there's other stuff too. Performance, office, and server, depending on how you're connected to the internet. Is what you want to check here. For me, I'm connected wirelessly. Leave that one be. Leave that one be. Auto care. You could turn auto care on if you have the pro version, which will automatically scan. So just the basic stuff: malware, registry, shortcuts, privacy suite, and junk files. And you could also edit what it cleans on the scan. Surfing protection. On surfing protection, I'll pretty much make it so this little icon right here will be showed up on, like, it's almost like the AVG link scanner. This right here is a active makes it so that boost, like, if you have a lot of extra RAM to use, that programs will, this right here will allow the programs to actually reserve more RAM, which makes the program run faster and more stable. Ignore less. Logs, backups, and notifications. On the Ultimate, you'll have an antivirus selection on the beta. This has its own uninstaller, which you can actually uninstall stuff like all at once, or when you do uninstall something, run at a deep clean where it'll delete the registry. Highly do not use that. I don't really use this. I use the Windows uninstaller. Registry cleaner, disk cleaner. File shredder will delete files permanently from your computer. You can't even access it through the undelete, which lets the recover files, but if you use this on files, you will not be able to recover it through this. Smart RAM is a neat feature I like on here. It'll it'll remove RAM that is not in use, even though it shows that it is. It's just in standby. What it does is it just removes all the RAM that's in standby and frees it all up. The deep clean is more intense. Settings, recommend just checking all 4 of these. If you have a clean clipboard on, it's gonna have copy and pasting problems every time it runs automatically. Internet booster. It's on the scanner. Startup manager, pretty much like the Windows MS config, where you could select or add programs that you want to start up or not start up on the boot when your system boots. Registry defrag. It'll defrag your registry. It requires a restart to do it. Highly sensitive also. Recommend only doing it when it's a calm day, when you know chances are the power's not going to go out, or else you have to do a system restore if it does, because it can corrupt your system files if you have a problem when it's defragging. Smart defrag, just regular defrags your hard drive. Game Booster. Right now they have the beta version that you actually have to sign up for if you want that. Undelete, I told you this right here, makes it so you can recover already deleted files. Shortcut fixer, fixes shortcuts. Disk Doctor sees if there's any bad sectors on your hard drive and fixes them. Infix, don't really recommend using this. It's more like for advanced users. Know what they're actually doing. I don't mess with the Internet Explorer helper. System Explorer is a diagnostics dump that you just copy and paste without what shows up on here to a person that will help you with your computer. Process Manager is just like Task Manager. The Unlocker is a separate program from the IOBit website. Auto shutdown gets set at a certain time for it to shut down. System information shows all your current. It shows a higher detail of all your hardware and software on your computer, like your operating system and motherboard, drives, everything on here. System control. This is pretty much your system tweak settings, where you can optimize your settings. If you don't know how to use this, just stay away from it, but for advanced users, this is really neat. But for one thing I know on here, for everyone, they should actually look at this. Go under Network, hit Advanced, and uncheck Reserve Bandwidth for if you have Wi-Fi. If you connect to the internet with Wi-Fi, make sure this is unchecked, or else Windows defaultly reserves some Windows Pro and Ultimate will automatically reserve 20% of your Wi-Fi adapter's bandwidth, like 20%. And just make sure this is unchecked. That's pretty much it for that. Portable version. That's pretty much it. It'll take all the files and put it into a single zip file, and all you have to do is extract it and run it, which I'll just do right now so I could show you the advanced version. And it's defaultly set on your desktop. extract it. Clone Disk Explorer is pretty much just locates all the files on your hard drive. It's not really that that needy. I don't really use these two because what this does will detect any duplicate files and select the ones, and you want to select the ones that you have to remove. And the empty folder scanner will actually just look for empty folders, but I know there's folders that are meant to be empty just for the Windows operating system, for like temporary folders like the Windows Update and stuff. Next we got the Turbo Boost, which is actually pretty neat to help. It's almost like it helps boost up your computer a bit. It also has its own plan. Next, you can actually have this start when on booting up. This helps speed up your computer, but I like this one better, Game Booster. Right now I'm gonna show the ultimate version. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. The reason why I made the portable version, because when you install if you already have the original system scan, this will override it. If you ever remove this, all your backup files will be saved. Unless you actually delete it. I tried to get to the free version of Advanced System Care, but since I have it registered, it will automatically do it. This version right here, you do not need a key to use the Pro stuff on here, because it's a beta version. It comes with an antivirus program. But the reason why I don't want to get this one is because I already have some antivirus programs, and what I know, the malware on here doesn't detect as good as the Pro version does. Only one thing I found good out of it is the Internet Booster. Nothing else. And the only one thing is for Firefox. Yeah, now it's lagging. Restart that. Here's a side-by-side comparison between the old and the new one. Well, must have hit feedback. It's pretty much got the same stuff as the System Care. They're actually going to make this one, the Pro version is its final version, which this is going to be its newer version. Like, there is some defects on the beta, I know that so far. I was doing some pre-testing with it. If you're a person that doesn't have it purchased and want to have the full experience of the Pro, you should probably get the Ultimate because it's free. But they're having a really big deal if you get the let's see where. If you actually buy close that one. Oops. Yeah. Right now it's showing that you could get for 75% off. 70%, which is originally $50, but now it's $10. I don't know if it's just me, if it's showing up, but it's showing right here. If you purchase the Ultimate version, you'll actually have it to support 2 computers. So altogether, you're getting the whole for 3 computers for $10 each. I don't know if this is the correct price because it's only showing 70% for me. Probably because I already have the Advanced System Care code. If you do have a code, you'll get a discount on it. Which pretty much what you're paying for is the antivirus. It's one heck of a deal because it supports up to 3 computers. Once this becomes a release, I might be interested in it. Once they work all the bugs on it. Thanks for watching. And thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I know this video is pretty long, but this program has a ton of stuff on it. But I know this program has a lot more stuff on it than a Logix Boost Speed. And it's really good. Until then, see you next time.